Hello everyone, in this brief video we'll be demonstrating how to mount a TV on a wall surface. First, predetermine the surface you'd like to mount the TV on. Visualize the location. In regards to the viewing angle, you will want the TV to be mounted for a viewing angle of not more than 30 degrees, as most people casually sit between 10 to 15 degrees reclined. Second, mark the central location. Use a stud finder to find the stud and install the TV mount. Check with the levelers to make sure it's leveled properly. Now you may tighten the mount to make sure it's secure. Third, install the brackets supplied with TV mount on the back of the TV. Make sure they are tight and secure. Fourth, hang the TV onto the mount. Tighten any fasteners that came with the mount. There's all to it. Hope you enjoyed it. Fixed construction, built to last.